Yes, okay. We will solve.
Let him finish and then we'll decide.
We will arrange for 80 places in hotels, in 2 hotels, and we'll sort out which person will be necessary to go first, okay? And then we'll sort out for others to get
How many
other
days in the
hotels.
hotel?
Priority will be given to.
Priority with related to children, old person, handicapped person.
How many days in the
How many
hotel?
days in the hotel?
I suppose
No,
you will be there until the
We are not.
result
We're not supposed.
I'm
No.
not sure you will be there until the result.
Can be 1 day or 14 days.
By 14 days.
No, we are.
7 days.
We are not going to go in a hotel. Hey.
Where's your pilot? Where's your pilot?
We will go. We want to know.
Where's the health minister's daughter?
We want to know where the daughter is. Okay. We will wait here.
We can go.
Where's the health minister's daughter?
Where's the minister's
The
daughter?
minister's daughter.
Who was on the plane?
Where is the three people who are left?
Where's the minister's daughter? Where's the minister's daughter? Where's the minister's daughter?
Where is the minister's daughter?
Where's the minister's daughter?
Where is the minister's daughter?
Where's the minister's daughter? Where's the minister's daughter? Where's the minister's daughter? Where's your pilot? Where's your pilot? Where's your pilot?
Just let us out. Give us our test and let's go.
They don't speak COVID. Pilot don't speak COVID.